In this video, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of disabling the memory feature in ChatGPT and clearing your stored data. To begin, I'll move my cursor down to the bottom left corner of the sidebar and click on my profile name to open the account menu. From the list of available options, I'll select Settings to bring up the main configuration window. Once the Settings overlay appears, I'll look at the navigation menu on the left side and click on the Personalization tab. This section is where ChatGPT manages what it knows about you, including your custom instructions and saved preferences. I'll locate the Memory section and click the toggle switch for Reference Saved Memories to turn it off, which ensures the AI won't use or learn from our future conversations. To fully wipe any information that has already been collected, I'll click the Manage button right next to the Memory heading. This opens a pop-up showing my saved memories. I'll click the three dots in the top right corner and select the option to delete all memories. I'll click the red Delete All button to confirm. Now that the screen clearly states that memory is disabled and no data remains, I can simply close out the settings and return to my dashboard. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tips and tutorials.